Today, we are going to talk about how to lead with trust in times of uncertainty. Now, last several months have been very challenging for you as a leader, especially when it comes to managing teams remotely. And in some cases, this has actually created a trust deficit because people are not physically around. So, how do you as a leader lead with trust? Here are 6 things you should do and practice on a daily basis. Number one, be genuine, be authentic, be very clear of your intention. So, if you're a leader who only cares about numbers, who only cares about business results, people will see through it. But if you genuinely care about your people, if you genuinely believe that your success is tied to their success, people can relate with you better. So, be genuine, be authentic, be very clear of your intentions. Point number two, open up. When you open up, the world opens up for you. So while you're a leader, you're also a human being. You also have feelings, you also go through emotions, you also make mistakes. So be vulnerable. Have the courage to express yourself, seek help, support. Now it's easier said than done, but if you are able to connect with people at a human level, people can relate with you a lot better and a lot of trust can get created. And if you expose yourself and if you don't get harmed, if you don't get hurt, that is when the real trust gets created. Point number three, back your words with action. Say what you mean and do what you say. Make sure your actions are reflecting your commitment on a daily basis. Building trust is not a one-day job. So whatever you say, you have to convert into action on a daily, consistent basis. Point number four, give people benefit of doubt. A lot of times, leaders start with a position saying, I do not trust you, and you have to gain my trust. I invite all of you to reverse that position and say, I'm going to trust you by default until you prove otherwise. So when somebody calls up and says, my internet is not working, or when you hear that somebody is saying, my phone is not working, or I'm not getting a signal, believe in them, give them that benefit of doubt. Point number five, and probably the toughest one, look inside and let go. A lot of times, trust has nothing to do with your teams. It is with your own insecurities, your own fears. Fear of perceived lack of control because people are not physically around. Fear of a perceived loss of productivity because, again, you're not sure what your teams are doing. And all this could lead to a potential fear of failure. Sometimes you fear how all this will reflect on you as a leader. So in a way, you are projecting your fears on your teams. Sometimes these fears may be because of past experiences. So look inside and let go, move on, but do not project your fears on your teams. And the final point number 6, talk less, listen more. Some of the best conversations happen when you are silent. So whether it's a team meeting or a one-to-one conversation, be present in every conversation. Listen with true intent. Be present physically where possible, mentally and emotionally otherwise. When people feel heard, they can trust you. I hope you found these useful. I'll quickly recap the 6 points. Point number 1, be authentic, be genuine, be very clear of your intention. Point number 2, open up, be vulnerable. Point number 3, back your words with action. Point number 4, give people benefit of doubt. Point number 5, look inside and let go. And point number 6, talk less, listen more. I hope these are helpful and I hope these can help you lead with trust in these uncertain times. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.